Wireless Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belvidere, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Belvidere, Poplar Grove, and Timberlane, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 45 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.